Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll show you how to replace the inside door handle on this 98 Chevy Venture, same as most 97 to 05 Venture and Montana Transport Silhouette. And the only tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver and a 10mm socket and ratchet with an extension.
First, you're going to want to pry up this switch plate, okay, and then actually unplug the 3 connectors. And I find it easiest just to kind of press on this black tab and then pry. Okay, that one out. And this green one, kind of the same thing. Use a screwdriver, press on that tab. Push. And then this mirror switch, okay, there's a little tab right here that you need to pry back with your fingernail or a screwdriver. And then pull the connector out. Okay, I've already done that before, so it looked kind of easy. That will require some force usually the first time. Now again with your screwdriver, you're going to pry out this bezel here. Around your door handle. Now there are 2 10mm screws, one right in there and then one right down there, and you need to remove those.
Okay, and we'll speed up removing those, and I'm using a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension.
Those out, now there's just a series of pins around the outside perimeter and then 2 right in here that you need to pull out. So you can either use like a putty knife or something to get underneath. I actually just work my fingers right underneath up here and then give a good tug. Work down further, give a good tug. Okay. And just work my way right around the door panel.
Okay, here we're going to remove the water shield, and you really only have to remove the upper portion around the handle, but I'm just taking this all the way off anyways.
Okay, inside door handle is pretty easy to remove. So just use a screwdriver, kind of push up. Let's see here, like that. The whole thing just kind of pulls out. Okay, these 2 kind of disconnect from each other, and you can pull your handle off like that. Okay, what happens is these shafts will break sometimes, or this part will break. Okay, and then if you wanted to pull off your lock button, just like that. But then you put them back together, and the bottom in first, push down, and in. Okay, and then just make sure after you do that that you clip these rods back into place there.
Okay, and we'll fast forward putting that water shield back on, and you can see that really the hardest part of this is taking the door panel on and off.
Reinstall the door panel. Just make sure you get all your harnesses up and through. And I kind of look back here because it's easy to see this pin. Guide it right in there. Okay. And then there's a pin in the front
that just kind of guides it. Okay. Put our bezel back in there. This screw I put into my extension socket first. You want to tighten them up firm. You don't want to be too tight because they just go into plastic, so it could strip out. Switch panel. Mirror, lock, window, and all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneaauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.